To attain the performance goals set for Laferrari, our engineers drew on the Scuderia's F1 experience in the choice of materials, design, and engineering. Full use was made of the racing department's test facilities and production processes. GT and F1 engineers worked together under the guidance of Rory Byrne, who oversaw no fewer than 11 World Championship-winning cars. The working group designed a chassis which would provide maximum rigidity and minimum weight, despite also housing the hybrid system. Just like in Formula One, prepreg composites of aeronautical derivation were employed in the chassis. 4 different types are used, because each part of the body in black is engineered to serve its function within the overall structure. Most of the tub is made of T800, both fabric and unidirectional tape, which is strategically laid up to reinforce critical areas, ensuring that energy can be dispersed along predetermined lines. The hand laying up process in the F1 plant ensures the right material is in the right place to guarantee the functional requirements of each individual area of the chassis. T1000 unidirectional tape and fabric is used in some critical areas, such as the doors and the sills, as its high energy absorption characteristics pass the strictest side impact legislation norms. Structural elements of the body are made using M46J unidirectional tape and fabric, which is extremely rigid but lightweight. For the underbody, carbon fiber is combined with another specialist composite material, Kevlar, which is used to protect the carbon structure from road debris damage. The same materials and processes employed by the Scuderia Ferrari are used throughout. During the engineering phase, a number of functions were integrated within the chassis design to reduce weight. An important innovation is the seat structure, which is completely integrated into the chassis, reducing weight and ensuring a more compact architecture. The carbon fiber is cured in the same autoclave used for F1 chassis in 2 phases between 130 and 150 degrees Celsius using vacuum bags to remove any voids in the laminate. The same multi-material approach was adopted for the entire body in black in order to reduce the number of components to the benefit of lower weight. An example of this approach is the one-piece rear section, which is a single piece constructed using a combination of M46J and T800 carbon fibers to obtain a very lightweight yet rigid structure. This technology enabled us to achieve a significant improvement in performance characteristics over the chassis of the Enzo Ferrari.